That the truth that we have has been passed down to us from those who spent time with Jesus. And so we need to know, especially in today's world, that we do not have an invented faith, we have an inherited one. That what we are supposed to do is pass down the truth that has been passed down to us from those who have come before. When it comes to the proclamation of the gospel, the good news that the Messianic King has come, that we proclaim it, that we tell people about Jesus and tell them that he brings life and restored relationship with God, and that we help people grow as disciples of Jesus, grow into the likeness of Christ. This gathering, this coming together involves this element of teaching and development and discipleship, that we as members of the church, by the power of the Holy Spirit, will be transformed to reflect the image of the one whom we follow, and that is Jesus.